PCB manufacturing is usually outsourced to vendors. Vendor coordination is important to ensure that appropriate inputs are given. Generally, material inputs required are films and Gerber files. Information inputs required are type of laminate, board and copper thickness, number of layers, details of solder mask and ident, and if required drilling details, and plating type. Some of the commonly used processes and terms are mentioned here. Etching is selective removal of unwanted copper from laminate. Etch resist is used on circuit patterns to protect them from etching. Unwanted copper is the copper on laminate other than the circuit pattern. Photo printing is the method of pattern transfer on PCB laminates. This process is used in professional applications. Screen printing is simpler and cheaper method for pattern transfer. It is less expensive than photo printing. Majority of PCBs produced worldwide are screen printed. Photoresist is a photosensitive material. When exposed to proper radiation, generally UV, changes its properties. Plating is a chemical process of depositing metallic coating. For PCBs, depositing tin or nickel on copper. Electroless copper plating is deposition of copper on non-conducting area. It is a chemical process used in initial deposition of copper on plated through holes. Copper electroplating is electrochemical process of depositing copper on copper. It is done to build plated through holes. Mechanical processes used are shearing for cutting PCB to required shape and size. Punching for making holes on paper phenolic laminates in high volume production. Milling for cutting PCB to required shape and size. Drilling for making holes. Example of a typical fabrication process is as demonstrated under. Fabrication process for a double-sided non-PTH board is as shown. Fabrication process for a double-sided PTH board is as shown. After making of a PCB, it is inspected for faults. PCB is inspected for dimensional accuracy, hole diameters and pad sizes. Visual inspection is done using high-index magnifying glass. It is checked for open or short tracks and open or short pads. Bare boards testing is electrical inspection of PCBs. An automated test equipment checks for correct continuity, hairline cracks and shorts. Any other test is carried out if required. After inspection, PCB is ready for assembly.